Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Today we will tell you news about Cardano cryptocurrency. Cardano Ada mimics market trends to make a recovery. Cardano is currently sitting at a critical level of 85 cents. The price of this token could continue to gain, and it could test the next resistance level at 88 cents if the current bullish trend continues. If ADA hits this level, it could continue with a bold uptrend and target a higher resistance level at 92 cents. However, for ADA to reach these levels, it needs the support of both the buyers and the market. The cryptocurrency markets have turned bullish as Ukraine changes its stance on NATO. This has eased fears across the financial markets. If the positive outlook remains and market anxiety drops, ADA could be primed for a major recovery towards the $1 levels. The current recovery does not necessarily mean that the market anxiety has completely cooled off. There are still tensions regarding the executive order on crypto that will be signed by the US president this week. If ADA's prices turn bearish, the lower support level of 78 cents will be tested. ADA was trading at these levels before a bullish trend across the cryptocurrency market was formed. Therefore, if the current trend is being fueled by short-term traders, they could decide to dump their holdings and take ADA back to lower levels. If ADA drops further below $0.78, it will drop to monthly lows. If it drops below 75 cents, the market sentiment at this point will determine the trend that the price of the token will take. If buyers are unwilling to enter at this point, the price could drop to 69 cents. So next news. Cardano Hydra release date. When does Cardano's Layer 2 solution launch? With 6 to 12 months being the medium term for Hydra, it may not be until late 2022 or even 2023 until we see the deployment of Cardano Hydra. This may put Hydra's launch closer to the Cardano Basho year, which seeks to improve Cardano scaling. Recently Hydra has shared its roadmap on GitHub for better community interaction and feedback. Cardano's development approach in the past has adopted a rigorous, peer-reviewed methodology. With the same methods used for Hydra, it could still be a while before the two layer integrates with Cardano's Layer 1. However, we'll likely see more of Hydra pretty soon. IOHK confirmed it will talk more about Hydra at the Cardano Summit 2021, set to begin on September 25th. Here, IOHK will discuss Hydra's progress to date and goals for the future, meaning we may get some updates to the Cardano roadmap that include Hydra dates. IOHK says it will have a developer preview for Hydra node available ahead of the Cardano Summit. Here, it will allow a small number of users to make transactions via Hydra head. This proof of concept and any other future updates or prototypes will be available to view via the GitHub repository. Of course, all the information we have on Hydra is subject to change. We'll keep this page updated as any news comes out. As a Layer 2 system, Hydra will see graduate programs, but it never managed to acquire a degree. As expected, the revelations have created significant debate on Twitter, with some users criticizing Hoskinson, while others are defending him. The allegations do not put him in good light, with several people having invested in Cardano on the basis that ADA would outperform his peers. Hoskinson has been called out prior to this as well, with one instance in 2020, when Hoskinson had promised that by 2021, there would be thousands of decentralized applications on Cardano. However, as of today, there are only a handful of decentralized applications running on Cardano. So next news. Founder Charles Hoskinson exposed for misleading about enrolling for a PhD degree. Laura Shin, a crypto journalist who recently published a book dubbed Cryptopians, has uncovered major facts showing Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's CEO and founder, never enrolled in a PhD program contrary to his claims. Recall that the Cryptopian book provided important details about the identities of the founders of Ethereum, including Vitalik Buterin and Hoskinson, and the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, hacker. Having read the book, a Twitter user calls out Laura for portraying Charles in a bad light. Hoskinson replies to the user that Laura's book is a great work of fiction. Laura Shin then replies with some receipts, showing that Charles hasn't been very honest regarding some of his claims, such as his level of education. Following Hoskinson's description in the book, the Cardano founder said Shin's book is fictional. Great work of fiction. Tough market to beat George R.R. Martin and Tolkien, but we wish her well, Hoskinson said in a recent Twitter post. In response to Hoskinson's post, Shin tweeted that the Cardano founder should address the discrepancies between his claims of dropping out of a doctorate degree program and the school's assertion about these claims. Apparently, Shin had contacted various schools Hoskinson claimed to have enrolled in for a doctorate degree program, and the institutions refuted his claims. According to evidence provided by Shin that accompanied her tweet, Hoskinson had on numerous occasions claimed that he completed an undergraduate program in number theory, but never completed his PhD program at the University of Colorado Boulder and the Metropolitan State University of Denver. He promised to do so after he retired from his job as a lead developer of the popular blockchain network Cardano. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.